Have you ever checked your credit score on one platform, felt pretty good about yourself, then gone to another platform and gotten a number that could curdle milk? It's enough to make you wonder, which score is real? This confusion often pops up when comparing scores from Equifax, a major credit bureau, and Borrowell, a popular credit monitoring service. The truth is, both numbers can be accurate, even if they differ. Here's why. The Credit Report Trio, unveiling the mystery. Let's rewind a bit. Your credit score is a three-headed beast. There are actually three major credit bureaus in the United States: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each bureau collects information about your borrowing habits, compiles it into a report, and generates a score based on their own unique formula. Why the discrepancy? It's all about the model. So, why might your Equifax score on Borrowell differ from the score you get directly from Equifax? The answer lies in something called a credit scoring model. Think of it like a secret recipe. Each bureau uses a slightly different recipe to weigh various factors in your credit report, like payment history, credit utilization ratio, and credit mix. For example, Equifax might place more emphasis on your credit card debt compared to Experian, which might be stricter on recent inquiries. These subtle variations can lead to score differences, even if the underlying credit information remains the same. Borrowell, decoding the Equifax enigma. Borrowell specifically shows you your Equifax risk score, ERS 2.0. This is a legit score used by many lenders in Canada and the US. But remember, it's just one version of your credit story. Equifax, getting the full picture. If you want the full scoop, you can request your free annual credit report from each bureau. This way, you can see the nitty-gritty details and any potential discrepancies across all three reports. It's a good idea to do this regularly to monitor your credit health and catch errors early on. The Lone Ranger, which score matters most? The million-dollar question: when you apply for a loan or credit card, which score does the lender use? The truth is, it depends. Financial institutions often pull reports from all three bureaus and use a middle score or a proprietary model to make their decision. Here's a pro tip: focus on improving your overall credit health. By consistently making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding unnecessary credit inquiries, you'll naturally see those scores rise across the board. Beyond the numbers, building strong credit. Remember, your credit score is just a number. It's a snapshot of your creditworthiness, but it doesn't define your financial future. The key takeaway is to develop healthy credit habits that will benefit you in the long run. So, the next time you see a score difference between Equifax and Borrowell, don't panic. Understand the factors at play and focus on building a strong credit profile. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.